Hello friends, today in this video we are going to solve 20 most important questions from Romantic Age which will be very helpful for the NET aspirants. Friends, if you didn't watch the first part of this video, then click the I button and get the video first. So without delay, let's start with the first question. Wordsworth in his poem Dash tells the scholar to do away with books and make nature his teacher. Wordsworth in his poem Devil's Round tells the scholar to do away with books and make nature his teacher, because sometimes we must see the beautiful nature outside instead of reading books, because nature can also teach us a great lesson than the books. So the answer will be number B, Devil's Round. Question number 2. Who among the following wrote Ode to France under the influence of the French Revolution? Friends, it's Coleridge who wrote Ode to France, which was published in 1798. So the answer will be number C, Coleridge. Question number 3. In which year Great Reform Act passed? Friends, in the year 1832, the Great Reform Act was passed. So the answer will be number D, 1832. Question number 4. Identify the poem from the following in which Keats bears the mark of Hellenism. Friends, let me tell you what is Hellenism. Hellenism is the Greek art, customs and cultures particularly, and Keats is a Hellenist because he uses Greek culture and ideals in these poems. So the answer will be number D, all of these. Question number 5. Keats called Dash as the egotistical sublime. The phrase egotistical sublime is coined by John Keats to describe Wordsworth's distinctive genius. So the answer will be number C, Wordsworth. Question number 6. A frequent theme in romantic poetry, Hellas, is Dash. Friends, Hellas is a well-known poet of ancient Greek. So the answer will be number A, the oldest poet of Greece. Question number 7. Lady Catherine is the famous character of Jane Austen's work Dash. Friends, Lady Catherine is a famous character of Pride and Prejudice which was published in 1813. So the answer will be number C, Pride and Prejudice. Question number 8. The Intel, a tragic fiction, was written by Dash. Friends, The Intel was written by number D, Hunt. Question number 9. Liberty, the soul of life, shall reign, shall throb in every pulse, shall flow through every vein, is written by Dash. Friends, this line is taken from Coleridge's poem, The Destruction of the Bastille. So the answer will be number D, Coleridge. Question number 10. Identify from the following to whom the credit of pioneering the historical novel is attributed. Friends, the answer will be number C, Scott. Question number 11. O wild west wind, thou breath of autumn's being, thou from whose unseen presence the leaves dead are driven like ghosts from an enchanter fling. The answer will be number A. This is Shelley in Ode to the West Wind. Question number 12. The Times was earlier known as Dash. Friends, The Times is a famous newspaper which was earlier known as Daily Universal Register. So the answer is number C, Daily Universal Register. Question number 13. Who among the following is not called lake poet? Friends, let me tell you who are the lake poets. Lake is a distinct name in England. So the Lake Poets were a group of England poets who all lived in Lake, and Byron didn't live in the district Lake. So the answer will be number B, Byron. Question number 14. Identify from the following who had called Wordsworth a moral eunuch. Friends, it is Shelley who called Wordsworth a moral eunuch because Wordsworth became a Tory. So the answer will be number D, Shelley. Question number 15. O lady, we receive, but what we give, and in our life alone does nature live. This line has been extracted from Coleridge's work Dash. Friends, this line is taken from the Dejection Abode, which was published in 1802. So the answer will be number C, the Dejection Ode. Question number 16. In Shelley's work Hymn of Pan, the Greek god Pan fights with dash. Friends, the Greek god Pan fights with number D, all of these. Question number 17. When was Preface to Lyrical Ballads published? In the year 1798, with the beginning of Romantic Age, the Preface to Lyrical Ballads was published. So the answer is number B, 1798. Let's see question number 18. Dash has been called a plowman poet. Robert Burns has been called a plowman poet because he holds a unique place in popular culture for the Scots, and his father was also a tenant farmer. So the answer will be number C, Burns. Question number 19. He prayed well who loved well, both man and bird and beast. Whose words are these? Friends, these words are taken from Coleridge's poem, The Rime of Ancient Mariner. So the answer is number C, Coleridge. Question number 20. Nightmare Away, Misfortunes of Elphin are the famous works of dash. Friends, Nightmare Away and Misfortunes of Elphin are the famous works of number C, Peacock. So friends, we have done some more important questions from Romantic Age. I hope you'd like. The next part of this video are coming very soon. Thank you.